गोंय हें धार्मीक एकत्रता आशिल्लें राज्य आसा. हालींसराक गोंयकारां मदीं धार्मीक फूट घालपी खुबशे प्रकार घडपाक लागल्यात. गोंय सरकारान हाचेर आळाबंद हाडून अशें कृत्य करतल्यांचेर कडक कारवाय करपाची गरज आसा म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो यतीश नायक उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Goa is a peaceful state. There is complete secular atmosphere in Goa. Government is duty bound as protectors of law to ensure that no such incidents happen. तुम्ही जर आता पळयत जाल्यार last few days we are all reading and watching in the news that these kind of very unfortunate acts and crimes are happening, desecrations and things like that. You see, this is not something that has to be taken lightly. The government has to act firm. The law enforcement machinery of the government has to work overtime and catch these culprits. This lip service of this government will not work. This government is only doing lip service. They only talk. They don't do anything. You see, these kind of incidents that are happening, you have to get the culprits to book. Who are doing these desecrations? Who are involved in these activities? See, government is to catch these people. It's not, you see, we have got a secular atmosphere here. Whoever tries to create trouble should be dealt with firmly.